Composite deck boards continue to be re-engineered due to concerns over water absorption, mold, fungus, and decay. Wood fiber and composite railing systems also causes problems. Manufacturers haven't removed wood from their railings because they weren't able to develop a core railing material that maintained the look and feel of wood without using wood. Until now.
Barrett is one of the largest wood product transformation manufacturers in Canada. If we wanted to use wood in our railing, we could, but it just doesn't belong there. We've worked for years to develop a material with the look and feel of wood, but with an ultra-low maintenance acrylic exterior and no organic filler. We call this new material Risolite. Risolite is not affected by water, and it resists rot, mold, and sagging. The acrylic surface is extremely durable and resists discoloration and fading. Risolite is the key to our newest railing product, Transform. Transform surpasses the best-in-class product performance and ease of installation, and it's unlike anything in the industry. It is the only one of its kind.
Transform railing kits consist of only a few parts: 2 railing beams, a bottom rail, a top rail, balusters with baluster adapters, and brackets. Transform comes in 3 designs: Transform Presence, Transform Emerge, and Transform Aspire. Each has a special look and feel and truly allows the homeowner to create a unique style to their home. 4 colors are available: white, wheat, caramel, and ironstone. Composite materials have drawbacks that lead to overly complicated installations. Transform's strong Risolite core, however, allows for much easier installation, saving time and frustration. Let's compare. With this competitor's system, it's necessary to make a custom jig out of a 2x4 and then use that jig to drill each baluster hole on the angle of the stair. You then need to flip the bottom rail over and drill the opposite side with a larger drill bit to open up the hole for the screw. For every baluster, you're drilling 2 holes with 2 different bits in the bottom rail and 1 in the top rail. Here, we're only connecting 1 baluster. Imagine drilling 39 holes for one 6-foot section of rail. With most composite systems like this one, you then need to cut both ends of every baluster to the angle of the jig, then screw in every baluster. This process is very time-consuming. With Transform, it really is this simple. Our unique baluster adapter eliminates the need for jigs and the time-consuming job of drilling holes and screwing in balusters. The same baluster adapter is used in both level and stair railing applications. You simply press the baluster into the factory-routed slots in the rail. Stair applications are just as easy. Balusters are supplied with the angle pre-cut. There's no need for a jig or drilling on the angle because the adapter simply pivots to accommodate any stair angle. For our competitors, it is a complicated, time-consuming task to attach the brackets for mounting the rail. Once you've cut the angle onto the rails, you need to mark where the screw holes go for the brackets. Then you have to drill 2 holes with a small bit at each end of both rails and then change bits and drill 2 more larger holes at each end of the bottom rail to allow for the screwdriver tip. Once all the holes are drilled, you have to use a special tool to insert a special clip into the end of the rail for the screws to embed, since the composite material can't support the screws on its own. There's still much more, but for time's sake, let's skip to the difficult task of mounting the assembled section. The assembly needs to be placed between the posts on the stair and marks made where each bracket attaches. The section then needs to be removed, holes drilled, then reinstalled, and the brackets screwed to the post. Because the balusters are already installed, it makes attaching the screws very difficult. Finally, the top rail needs to be screwed onto the assembled section. Unfortunately, the exposed painted brackets are visible, unsightly, and susceptible to weathering. With Transform, bracket installation is a snap. You use 1 bracket for all applications. 1 simple angle cut will give you every option you need. Finish by cutting the cover to match. It's just that quick and easy.
called this product Transform for a reason. It embodies where we've been, where we're going, and where we're taking the industry.
There's nothing like this product, and it's only the beginning.